Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at today's top stories. In a tragic incident at Tirupati, a stampede claimed the lives of 6 pilgrims. One eyewitness, who was with her family of 20, recalled the horrifying moment when the stampede occurred after the police opened the gates. The chaos led to a tragic loss of lives, and authorities are investigating the cause of the stampede. Moving to Jammu and Kashmir, former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has urged both the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress to strategize together in the lead-up to the Delhi Assembly elections. His call for opposition unity comes as the two parties prepare to take on the BJP in the capital. In Los Angeles, the city is grappling with unprecedented wildfires that have devastated large parts of the area. Iconic landmarks and celebrity homes have been destroyed, and the fires remain largely uncontained. The full scale of the damage is yet to be assessed, as local residents show remarkable resilience in the face of this disaster. Meanwhile, in Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, emphasizing the need for peace over war. He spoke about India's growing global influence and advocated for international cooperation and peace, reinforcing the country's positive role in the world. On the political front, tensions have emerged within the India bloc. Omar Abdullah recently questioned the future of the alliance following Tejasvi Yadav's comment about its limited scope. The internal rifts highlight the challenges the opposition faces in maintaining unity ahead of upcoming elections. In other political news, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has confirmed that he will be contesting from a single seat in the Delhi Assembly elections, dismissing BJP's allegations that he plans to run for 2 seats. Shiv Sena, UBT, is signaling a potential shift in its strategy for the upcoming Mumbai civic polls. Party leader Sanjay Raut suggested that Shiv Sena, UBT, might contest the elections independently without an alliance with Congress, but hinted at possible support for AAP in the future. Tensions are also rising within the Nationalist Congress Party. A fresh round of disagreements between the Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar factions has surfaced, with both groups vying for political dominance. This comes after a shift in power dynamics following the 2019 Lok Sabha and 2020 Maharashtra Assembly elections. In a significant political development, Arvind Kejriwal has called for the inclusion of Delhi's Jat community in the central OBC list. This has sparked controversy, with the BJP questioning the timing of the demand, as the elections draw closer and the Jat community plays a crucial role in the Delhi polls. Finally, the war of words between Arvind Kejriwal and Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdev continues to intensify. Sachdeva has accused Kejriwal of failing to fulfill his promises and called him a liar, further fueling the political rivalry as the Delhi Assembly elections approach. That's all for tonight's top stories. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm Ankita Singh, and this is Channel 6 Network. Thank you for joining us.